Do you want to develop your first mini unique stay in your backyard to generate additional income with Airbnb?
I developed multiple unique stays in tiny homes, and in this video, I'm going to show you our two favorite units for this type of development. I'll also walk you through the process of estimating demand, checking with the local government to see if you can build this construction, and calculating the profitability of your project. The first step is to estimate the demand. To estimate demand, we use an app called AirDNA. As you can see here, the app is showing you a margin and the total expected revenue. Later on, we're going to compare this margin with the construction cost to estimate the profitability of the project. The next step is to verify the city's restrictions for constructing a secondary dwelling unit.
We're going to go on Google and type in land use regulations and the name of your municipality. You can access the code, and within the code, by pressing Ctrl F, you're going to look for accessory structures, accessory dwelling units, or accessory family suite. Under these three concepts, you will find the min-recs, surfaces, and limitations for the project. Our prefab unit, chosen for today, comes from a manufacturer called Tomu House. The cost of the 506 square unit is $145,000. In this way, the cost per square foot is $290. One of the advantages of buying a prefab house is that the finishes are done in the factory, which minimizes errors. The second option to optimize demand and return on Airbnb is to build a mini unique stay with a local builder. On our website, you can locate our architectural plans that you could utilize to develop your project with this builder. The advantages of installing a unit that was conceived as a mini unique state is that its returns are going to be better on Airbnb. In turn, using a traditional construction method can further enhance the value of this property. Download our free calculator to calculate the demand and profitability of this project. If your unit's operating margin is $30,000 per year and the development cost is $150,000, your return will be 20%, which is not bad. The benefit of constructing a mini unique stay that was specifically designed for Airbnb rentals is that the units are created to be distinctive. However, keep in mind that developing a mini unique state and managing it is hard work. We do this process for the returns it generates and for the appreciation that the property can generate. There are multiple listings on Airbnb, and it's hard to catch users' attention. If you manage to do it with a unique design, it's inevitable that your listing will get more visits, and this will lead to more bookings.